Hey everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the new revised pattern for the SAT exam. So if you are aspiring to appear for the SAT exam in the coming year, that is 2023, this video is totally for you. Because in this video, we are going to see the changes that are going to occur from the coming year, that is 2023. If we talk about the SAT, that is Scholastic Assessment Test, this test you appear for to take admission in the foreign universities for your undergraduate courses. So if you are the aspirant for the SAT exam, watch this video till end. Let's see what is the biggest change in the SAT exam. Biggest change that you need to know is SAT is going to be digital in India from March 2023, that is the coming year. So it is a big news that you need to know about the SAT exam. If we talk about the format for the SAT exam, it is going to remain same. That is, it will be consisting of reading, writing and math section, 3 sections, and essay will be optional. We have discussed everything about SAT in detail. You can check the video in the description if you haven't checked it yet. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the changes that are going to occur in the coming year. Let's see what we have. Here will be the old pattern and here will be the new pattern displayed in front of you. First of all, old pattern was the SAT exam was offline, but now it is going to be online. This is the first and the biggest change, that it is switching to online now from offline mode. Let's see what we have next. If we talk about the duration, the time duration for the SAT exam, earlier it was about 3 hours and now it is going to decrease to 2 hours. The time duration is going to decrease as it is going digital from the coming year. Next, we have the level of the difficulty. Earlier, the exam level was set for each and every student same. It was same for every student. Like they provide basic, medium and advanced level question to each and every student. But now the level of the questions are going to be adaptive. Adaptive means the level of the question will change according to your performance. If you are performing low, the level of the questions will decrease. If you are performing good, the level of the questions will going to increase. So this will be a totally adaptive test according to your performance. So this is also a big change, I can say. Let's see what we have next. Next is the number of questions. Earlier the number of questions were more. Now we can expect the number of questions to decrease. So as the time duration is decreasing, the number of questions will also decrease. We can expect that. And next, if we talk about the math section, it was bifurcated into two, that is maths with calculator and maths without calculator. But now we can see we can use calculator for the whole math section. It is again an additional plus point that we can use the calculator for whole of the section. And if we talk about the reading section, reading passages, earlier there were long passages with 4 to 5 questions with each passage, but now the length of the passages will be going to be short with 1 conceptual question each. That means the passages are going to be short with 1 question. Earlier it was lengthy passages with more questions. Okay, let's see what we have next. Next is some additional opportunities. Earlier the exam was held 5 times a year. But now it will be going to held 7 times a year. So it is an additional opportunity that the number of times they have increased from 5 to 7. Next, let's see what we have. Next is advantages of the test going digital. What is the advantages of the test going digital? First and the foremost advantage is that you can expect your scores within days. Earlier it took a few weeks to get your scores. Now you can expect your scores within days. So this is the biggest advantage of SAT going digital. Let's see what we have next. Next is you can flag out your questions while appearing when you are attempting the questions. You can flag the questions which you need to think it later on. Then after attempting the questions, you can come to the flag question and you can attempt that question that you have flagged earlier. So it is a good advantage. Next is the timer that is going to appear while appearing the test, you can show or you can hide that timer. If some students feel distracted while the timer keeps on decreasing, so you can hide it with your convenience, and if you want to see, you can make it visible. This is again an additional advantage that you are getting when the SAT exam is going digital. And if we talk about the math section, which is whole of it with calculator, you can take the help of the calculator for the whole section. You can also use the on-screen calculator, or you can take along your calculator. Whichever you want to use, you can go for it. Next is, you will be provided with a reference sheet of common formulas for the math section, which will be going to be quite helpful while solving the questions. So these are the few advantages for the SAT exam going digital. And let's see, we have one more advantage, that is the digital tests are more secure than the offline test, because it has a unique test form, and moreover you can use your own device or the device of the institution or college, whichever you are going to appear for the exam. So you can go with either one, or you can take your device, or you can use their device of any college or institution where you are appearing for the exam. So let's see what we have next. What remains the same? What will not change with the SAT exam going digital? Which will remain same? That is, the test content will remain same. The content, that is reading, writing in maths, that will remain same. How students study for the test, obviously your preparation will not change, and how colleges use your SAT score will also remain the same. How students are evaluated will also remain the same, and how test takers get scored will also remain the same. So these are the few points that will not change with the test going digital. So this was the information that you need to know about the SAT exam from the coming year. So this was all about today's video. I hope you have gained something if you are aspiring to appear for the SAT exam, and this video will obviously help you out for your preparation and your perspective towards the exam. I hope you'll get good scores in your exam, and you'll get admission to the desired universities. Thank you from our side. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked our content, if you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment in the comment section if you find any kind of query. And if you want to prepare for the SAT exam, you can join our team. We'll be helping you, guiding you out throughout your preparation. We are always there to help you out. Thank you, everyone.